In front of me is the Doogee S70, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this phone. So first of all, you need to open your contact list, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and as only you've got it, tap on edit icon. And here this camera is for adding profile picture, so just click on it and you can either take a photo, so it's perfect if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from your own gallery. So you can pick whichever album you would like to have. Let me pick, for example, this one, and you can smoothly add this. Okay, so actually I cannot reach this one. Let me pick some other album, maybe from downloads. Here it is. Okay, because I do not have my network connection on, and that's why we couldn't load this previous picture. However, you can pick, for example, this one. Now you can zoom it in or out. You can rotate the picture as only you want to. Then tap on Save Copy, and then click on Save right here. And as you can see, from now on, this profile picture is assigned to your contact, and anytime they will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture at first. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.